Hey, look at this doggy. Look at the doggy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at that little doggy right over here. Look at that little doggy. Say uh-oh to the doggy. Uh-oh.
What I love about it is that he says it entirely appropriately.
Look at that doggy here. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, you love that metal tag on the back. Yeah, that's the tag on the back that you like so much. Yes. And you put it right in your mouth. Right in your mouth. That's an uh-oh. That's an uh-oh. Willie. Look at Daddy.